I'm sure you remember this story. This story was posted in late December. The story of 14-year-old Charlene Smith who has never attended school. And it got a lot of attention. It got the attention of the relevant authorities, which means the Ministry of Social Security, Health Department, CDA, and the relevant government agency. They came and they visited and they did their assessment. I was assured that the family will be getting some assistance from them as well. Now, when this video was posted first, there was a lot of negative comments. A lot of people, say the mother was abusive. And, a lot of times we see videos and we make startling comments without thinking. The comments weren't just negative, they were very hurtful. There are even persons who have spliced this video, post it on TikTok and make viral videos accusing the mother of being abusive and how she should be ashamed, and even making fun of the fact that she is not literate. And it really speaks to the character of some persons and how far they will go to put down people. There are even persons who spliced the video and say that the family is living in St. Anne. And this is not true. The family, they were all born in Trelawney, Jamaica, and they grew up in Trelawney, Jamaica, and they live in Trelawney, Jamaica. Shanzen Zen Jamaican Vibes is the one who recorded and posted the original video. So persons out there who are splicing the video and posting it on the various platforms, please stop spreading propaganda. So now I want to say a big thank you to these donors. Thank you to Miss Susan from the Bronx in New York. Thank you to Miss Claudette from North Carolina. Thank you to Linval from Maryland, USA. Thank you to an anonymous donor who donated probably the second day after posting the video via Cash App. And thank you to Miss Andrea who sent some donation for the mother to get her birth certificate.
You happy, don't you?
Who me?
Yes.
Eh?
What do you mean?
You know like me I help you help him.
But always an angel, man.
She can't feed herself?
Yeah?
Watch her intonation.
No weapon.
Yes, she says smart.
Yes. You know what is there?
Ah.
So you stay, man. No weapon that fall against you shall prosper. Everything where wicked they try God cancel it. Yeah. 14 years. You know must help me get on and turn me there. Whole heap of help me get on the people and try to turn me down and so. But God send an angel. If you come watch over we and help we.
Yes.
Yeah, and the blessing of God I work. I mean not stop and pray to God. And God I work in miracle.
Yes.
And God go with all who lay their hand to help me and so.
Yes.
Blessing of God upon them.
Yes.
Yeah, I thank God for what He do for me.
Yes.
All I stress, I also see also them mash me out the win and take away me sit them and mash up everything. That they win they lick out it. We do them and sit and take them take it.
So we planned for a day to go back to the family and help, and this is Tari, and he is the carpenter. He's a painter, he's everything in one, but today he didn't do any painting because he had a lot of work to do. So big up and thank you so much to Starry for journeying from St. Elizabeth to Trelawney with us.
Yeah, Almighty for Father.
I like to see the difference one underneath the bottom of this. If anything, me move it. So, got it. This one is gone. This coming like them. I want to just want to change the right
She's happy to taste a deal. She love her ducky. She just come sit down in the lap, and start play with the lap.
Oh, yeah?
Jackie, she a kiss me.
Wow.
That's what love do. A while ago, she hug up and a kiss up her mother face too.
Yeah. You see how she don't move?
No man, in belly full man, in a sleep again man. Mommy now. You see, look at that. She's not moving. She leaned down on her mom. And she's sitting in my lap. So you see, sometimes we can misjudge things. You know, things aren't always what they seem. Play with the dog. Oh, she loves the dog because she love. Ducky is your friend. Oh, she like the board and the cardboard. See, she show you something about the dog. In a make no noise, man. Yes.
So we bought 2 bags of cement and we got this solar light which is powered by the sun and lights up at the night time. And we also bought 7 bags of marl. We also got them an indoor solar light. This one is, in the daytime they have to put it out in the sun, and so once it gets enough sun, it can serve them throughout the night. It can also be used to charge their phones. We also bought 3 sheets of 8-foot zinc, 2 before boards. We bought 1 roll of linoleum. The team from Falmouth also bought another roll of the linoleum that we put on the floor. They bought 2 gallons of paints. We bought 2 gallons of paints also. They bought 5 sheets of plyboard and 5 lengths of board mixture with 2 before mixed with 1 B3 lots. They bought the gas stove, and we bought the stove stand, the regulator, and the gas pan with the gas. We both bought nails, and it was a collaborative effort. It was so nice working with the Make a Difference team. They're all employees. Most of them employees from the Hilton in Falmouth, Trelawney. And who weren't able to come on the day to physically help, they did their part by donating. And because these are young people who are truly making a difference. Most of the stories that go viral are stories of violence and, not necessarily something positive. So let us make stories like these go viral so people can see that Jamaica is not just about killing and shooting and violence, but we also have young people who are making a positive mark, who are changing lives, who are giving back, who are helping their neighbors. Let's be the difference. Let's make a difference. Share this video to your families, your friends, everyone you know, and make this video viral so others can see the positive side of Jamaica and be inspired. And a quick note, just to make mention that in the video, Taneisha, who is the mom of the 14-year-old Charlene, said that they were getting money monthly from Poor Relief, but it was in fact indicated that they were getting it from Path, but she just didn't know that it was the Path that she was getting it from. And they did indicate that she should be getting a little bit more than the $4,000 per month that she was getting.
tonight is a happy night, and as you hear, I just said tonight because we literally just finished doing some work, and I feel, I came here, was it the day before or after? Yes, the day after Christmas, Boxing Day. And when I came here and I saw Taneisha, her baby father was not here at the time, he was at the bush. But I spoke to Taneisha, and then we beautiful Calesha, her right name is Charlene Smith, and little O'Shane. Yes, O'Shane Smith. And as you can see, he's very happy because, you know, this story touched a lot of people's heart, and, you know, they reach out, and we were able to fix up the surroundings, and also we were able to reach out to government ministries. And so we have some good news tonight. So one of the news is that Charlene is supposed to be going to a school in Mandeville for deaf and persons who cannot speak, right? And so the family is happy about it because they always want her to go to school. Mommy is happy, daddy is happy. And yes, and this is because of the intervention made through the relevant ministries. So the government will be paid for her boarding and her tuition, right? So she will be boarding there. And it's I'm told that it's only female workers, and, you know, it's a safe environment. So I have confidence that everything will be okay, and that she will learn and, you know, be able to come out with some kind of talent or some kind of skill, right? So we have all hope that everything is going to be good from now on with Taneisha. It was a hectic day yesterday, and today we came a little late today because we were tired from yesterday. And I have to big up the team from Falmouth as well. Some young ladies who are employees and young men who are employees at Falmouth Hilton. And they really did a lot yesterday. They helped us to paint, and this barrel that is right here to the left is actually full of clothes, curtain, all kind of things, and everything in there is from that group. All right. They also donated this stroller for the baby. That box right there has some food in it. Yes. And as you can see, if you look on the ground, you can see that linoleum is now on the ground. Well, you will see in the video before. The linoleum, some people call it carpet, and we fix up the floor. We have this mattress right here that we're sitting on that was donated from Cool Vibes Furniture Store in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. So big up to them. And I bought some things. And over here, I bring a lot of baby diapers because I had them in stock. And I really don't have the space to hold the amount of things that I get on a regular basis. So I bought these diapers for the baby, and I bought 2 packs for Taneisha. That's the 14-year-old. 2 packs of this one and another extra pack here. I also brought some Inco pads, you know, and some sanitary items. Right, this is the cap. I had given it to somebody else on the program. It's like a dry cap, ready bath. So you warm it up for 30 seconds, and then you put it on the person's head, and it washes, condition, and shampoo, and they're good to go. You don't actually have to wet their head. And these now are reusable Inco pads, right? So these can actually be washed and dried and reused again. But she said, mommy said she's going to send this with her when she's going to school. Also brought some books for Charlene. I keep calling her mother name. So we bring some books for her because she loves to look at books. See? She loves books. She loves to look at the pictures, and, you know. So I brought some books for her, some shoes. She can't manage the slippers, so we bring shoes and some sneakers and other stuff. And the team from Falmouth, can you hand me that bag, please? Yes. This is from me. Put this back over there. They bring, if you can come closer, you can a lot of things for the baby, like lotion, petroleum jelly, soaps, a lot of things. I mean, powder. They bring a lot of wipes, and they bring even plate and fork and spoon, all kind of things for the baby. And toothbrush, and a lot of baby clothing is in that barrel. A lot of baby clothing and shoes. They bring a bag of baby shoes. So thanks guys from Falmouth. You can put this back. And now Daddy is going to say something. She just weird.
Yeah, I'm finding the chewing sick.
Yeah.
Delicate, so it is getting a cry, and it's a man time. I'm first waking up. You could be a
Yeah.
When my parents are about 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm middle year, man.
Yeah.
Let it mark time.
Yes, yes. Like
A God, man.
yeah. And his mother no be there.
No.
Yeah.
No beating.
So I cry water for him sometimes, because when Charlene look at sometimes, yeah, Charlene when I did to me. College, Jesus, look how you look pit never pass, I go to school and Calesha and go to school. Cry water. No, cry water for where people know say, and me cry water for him tall, and when me do turn on go lick him, and jack down and there. No, man, couldn't cry water for me, big little girl. Me love him, he get trouble in a tall. And sometimes Charlene say, behave yourself still, you know.
Yeah.
Charlene love him and Charlene not abuse him and hurt him.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
me not hurt him neither.
Right.
You see him doctor with a seat. Say he moved a bit, the bruise.
Yeah, then the nurse them not come look and check. Yes.
When the boy that pass in place with me about me, I live with me daughter. I'm go for the 2 nurses test them. Say, man, a clean pitney over your place.
Yes.
Them turn around and shame too.
Yeah.
People on the other time say, man, you have a mind, you shouldn't tell Calesha. Actually, you have a mind of them, you look baby them.
Yeah.
You
Right.
don't trouble him for your daughter. So
Right.
I'm telling you on the road.
Right.
Yeah. I'm going to make sure you go for nurse and contest the little girl.
Yeah.
Actually, sick and in there and in and talk and so people.
Yeah.
Three boys have a worthless mind. Then people say me and my same thing.
I see him again.
Yeah, nah,
Bible say what a man think is so easy.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Calesha, man.
Right.
So, now beating neither. I'm sure of that answer. Cause even my baby mother inside there, no?
Yeah.
When me and I just get in and so, even if I'm a family, they would like me feel bad, like them would want me to go look different, nicer woman. And,
Yeah.
you know? But
Right.
me find the goodness of her and sitting, cause when my father takes sick care, so,
Yeah.
and she alone in my father's sickness when he can't do nothing.
Mhm.
And she bathe my father and take care of him, cook all when me have to go to bush and nobody with my father. She cook and everything and you know to all.
Yeah.
And she turn up with my father, bathe me. Sometimes she tell my father, usually follow my father go grown on it.
Yeah.
Or sometimes she take it back from my father. I say, Papa, give me back now.
Mm.
And she carry back to mom sometimes. Till and yes, so that's why I can't decide.
Yeah.
Cause right here now, if me dead and gone, as she see money man in pitney, them go get here so.
Yeah.
I stand up with my father, so I couldn't go give nobody else if anything wrong with me.
Yeah, yeah.
So me not decide if you know woman out there neither. Me just stand up with her and two little pitney there.
Yeah.
Me have to put for my head and so.
Right.
If me go this year now, me go alone there, me go back down.
Right.
So me no bother try to put myself in that way. Me try to live with her.
Right.
Sometimes she might, sometimes I talk to her, sometimes she might stubborn.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I say, Calesha still.
Yeah.
I say, Calesha stubborn like she.
So how you feel about Calesha? You call her Calesha, but everybody knows Charlene Smith, the 14-year-old. How do you feel about her going to school?
Well, me feel good. Me feel happy and feel good because
Yes.
much here me I start fret for him and they say, God, I wonder if you go make him talk and talk or certain things, God. Every day that me pray for.
Yeah.
That he can talk and make we understand Because we don't know when nothing doing tall, because sometimes you hear the ball tall and you don't know him not talk to tell you if his belly hurt him or anything. Through that now, I have one feelings when my feelings, anytime that happens, my feelings always get low.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to him, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so me feel good for know what he do for me. That's when I put him at home, that we can feel more comfortable, me and Shane. Education, cause she can't, where she go, you know, say people we come doctor and so we dey around him that's if him brain scan for check or him brain for check up or anything.
Yes.
Then we know what happened to her.
Yes.
Yeah, me want to know me can go visit her regularly and something there and
she can
care food go up give them and something there.
Yeah.
That's why me stand up with her right now and, and leave her because me not write her off out of my back she come from me blood.
Yeah.
And me nah write her whether not dead no call it up because right here now me pray to God to see the little girl here. Reach out and that's him start talk and God help me where that's he can come live the same place where them fix up film.
Yeah.
And come inherit it. If me even dead and gone, me pray to God that he can come inherit it. And me feel good. Come on, she can end up work in a bank.
Yeah.
She can go up and turn nurse.
Yeah.
Or anything. Me never try to give up on her. That's why you see me always fight. But to enough time, me then try to put help. Get help from it all. Yeah, so finally right people will come along and God send them and them a God picking it. Yeah. Because if they never God picking it, they won't come do them a breed of work feel good. Big up Star we come yesterday because in one day what me seen do a year. Me expect say them something couldn't done.
Yeah man. Change whole heap of zinc.
No for zinc them it rotten pan the house top.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you, Sean, and your husband there, so.
Yeah.
I try, you know.
Yeah.
Push out effort, that's me there where I am now. Thank the people them from Falmouth who come yesterday and
paint up and
very nice people them.
Yes, man.
Yeah, because them come in and them talk with the good and them love up each child them and sharing it and they make it clean and fresh up the place.
Yes. Yeah, so we're grateful.
I know Michelle that you was such a painter. Yeah, she come out today now she there she a paint up and
and he's the one who cast the bottom in the kitchen part now that was the veranda.
Yeah, he's the one Sean husband is the one me and him work here. For morning me and him they work. He cast the bottom on the veranda.
Yeah.
And do all the more little things.
Right.
And jump around. So
yeah man.
Have my light and everything then put out of phone. That means
solar.
I appreciate everybody from overseas. We send little things that we can feel, a little girl can feel happy and we can feel happy, and so we give thanks and pray to God to carry them through.
Yeah.
So things ready for them because them are good people. It is encouraged to me now if you look ahead. Push out her head and look further.
Yes, and do look more.
Yeah, and you know, give me more strength now.
Yes.
To do more work and stand up in the mirror more.
And more encouragement.
Encouragement.
Yes.
Yeah, because right here, you know, me just feel like we don't just go fight, you know, and plan some more. Yeah, I mean, I do that's me can back up the thing and so.
Yeah, and yesterday, yesterday he did a lot of work. Everybody who was here said, man, what a man can work. Everything you ask him to do this, him do that, him carry 5 sheets supply.
Zinc.
Back to back, zinc, board, bags of malt, water. From down at the hardware to all the way up here in walk with them on his head. Yeah. So you know, it's encouraging to see that you're not lazy. Yes. Yeah. We spoke to some of the community members earlier and they were just so upset with some of the comments, some of the rude comments in the comment section because I know at first glance it might seem like, you know, but sometimes you have to be careful what you say. I even see people making TikTok videos and making suggestions and stuff like that. Well, guess what? The Ministry of Health came here, the CDA, everybody, and they questioned who they're supposed to question, and they realized that the mother and the father are just struggling, but they take care of their children the best way they know,
and they try their best to make sure that she's never hungry. As you can see in the video, she's properly fed, her skin is clean, and it's just life happens. So when you see situations like this, especially with the father being such a hard-working man, he's 51 years old now.
There's still a little finishing touch that needs to be done on what we started, but I really have to say big up to Starry. He did a lot in one day.
We've been working from morning. That is true. So we're here with a group of young lady and not so young lady from Falmouth. And ever since I posted the video of Charlene and her mother and the situation, this young lady in the white and pink and blue, Tian, she works at Hilton Falmouth, and she reached out to me and she said, Shan, we want to help. When I saw the story, I was so touched and we want to do something. Yes. So she went ahead and created a group, and she added persons to it.
Who were interested?
Yes, who were interested in donating, and a lot of them donated.
Yes.
Yes, so I want to personally say thank you to them.
You're welcome.
Thank you too for reaching out to me.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And I'm very happy that you as a young person could see this video and it touched your heart so much so as to do all of this, because they bring a lot of clothes, they bring food, sheets, curtains,
everything,
a lot of shoes for the baby.
Stove. One of my friends donated this stove.
Yes.
Thank you, Sabrina.
Yes,
and Calesha donated 18,500 for zincs and plies.
Yeah.
Melanie here, she donated as well. She bought the paints and she donated more money and a lot more donations. Calesha, big up yourself. You bought the hygiene products, and
yes, there's a lot of hygiene products.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. So
Patragay.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Patragay.
So for everyone.
And mom.
Yes.
Supporter.
Yes.
She do everything, like
putting together.
Yeah, she went to the market for me, got some stuff. So she's a big main to me as well.
Yes. Thank you very much, mommy. And thank you both young ladies and the driver.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Andrew.
Big up Andrew for bringing us here.
Yes.
Because we didn't have a drive.
That's right.
Yes.
And we're going to want a donkey to carry me
All right. So thank you guys.
Yeah, man, and thank you to Shan for
Yes.
allowing us to come on board and
Yes.
assisting with
Yes.
everything.
I-
Big up yourself for
Yes.
what you have been doing for us and for others
Yes.
who is in need. So we
Yes.
appreciate you and we want to give you thanks.
And you're gonna
Yes.
reach up far.
Yeah, man, you're
and I
going
pray
far.
God cover you and keep you healthy and safe.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. And I pray that you guys go home safe.
Thank you.
You know, safe journey back home, and thank you for journeying from Falmouth to Albertown. All day we've been here, all day working, painting. Well, you'll see the images. And so we're gonna have to come back tomorrow to do a little finishing up. So when we do the finishing touch, you guys can see what we
You'll
did.
see the reveal.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Prayers
So-
go out to everyone.
Yes.
To all the families out there who Shan haven't met already,
Yes.
haven't met yet, and
Yes.
who Shan you have changed and be an impact a part of their life.
Yes.
Prayer goes out to them,
Yes.
and prayer goes out for you. Continue to be in that strong, motivated lady that you
Spirit.
are.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shan.
And she's
Yes.
very nice. Yeah.
Yes. And guess what? Wait, before you go, I want to say something. And guess what? I want to say to you, Tian.
Yes.
You thanks for your transparency, because you created a group, and every time you get something you posted and you show what you got. So So thanks for
Because I'm
that.
an honest person.
Yes,
so
yes.
Each time someone spends
Yeah.
or donate money,
Yes.
I show the receipt and everything.
Right.
Which most of them buy their own stuff. So
Yes, yes. And when you get clothes, when your mother go shopping, you show.
yes.
Yeah, I was glad. I was happy.
And she's a good shopper. She's
Yeah,
very
man.
good at that.
Yeah, I was motivated. I was motivated by your enthusiasm because every time you post in the group, guess what, guys? We got this, we got that.
Glory be to God. You cannot
Yes.
leave God out.
Yes.
Glory be to God.
Yes.
We got all stuff and
Yes.
man, we just have to just big up Father God because He made it possible.
Amen. Amen. All right. Thank you all again.
You're welcome.
Thank
Yes.
you too.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Just
Thank you, Miss Chan and your husband and the people that Miss Fan Motilani.
yes.
Oh, that's it. Thank you. I feel so happy.
Yes.
Come in, that could have thrown you good.
Yes, my school.
And we got the college I go to school. 14 years. Me happy now.
Yes. Yeah,
Oh,
no.
me tell me couldn't in a sick and couldn't help me say me at the ball.
Yes. Yes.
And everything she happy. And if why you happy?
And again, I want to say thank you guys so much for contributing to this effort. Thanks again. Some employees from Hilton in Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica. And the relevant authorities are supposed to do a revisit. They don't have any windows in. They're just backed up with sinks. So let's see what they do for them. All right. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.
No money, everything.
So she comfortable in her mother love. Like that.